Shut up.
What?
Stop. No frozen.
Holy crap, that hurt. Ooh.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Wormy.
And he's still shitting on himself. Who said the Shitty Friday joke?
Daniel.
Alright, Chew, you got this?
Chew. Alright, Chew.
Everyone's got to move.
One Direction reels it in. And please forgive me for saying One Direction. And the other direction lowers it. Try to keep it away from them tap holes.
So how do I do it? Do I just...
Nah, just let it fall because it won't cast. This one doesn't cast.
So I just throw it and it's going to cast itself, right?
No, just... It doesn't have a release as far as I know. My stepdad would know, but I don't.
Holy shit.
Told you.
Hey, watch out with the hook.
So lower it. You gotta lower it.
You gotta lower it way more.
Lower it and swing it forward a little bit.
I think we should go down there.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, the bitches...
Well, say.
No, the temples are everywhere.
What you got to say to America?
Look at what you caused. Look what you caused. Global
Yeah.
warming. Just look
This
this
lake
is
used to
to
be a
be
lot bigger. You see
huge.
that pier over there? That fucking pier was high.
Fucking global warming.
This fucking pier was high. This fucking Mexican was high.
Hey! I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, look at the fat ass worm.
I can't even reach that high.
Squirm, motherfucker, squirm.
What? Christian?
Ratchet motherfucker.
Hey! Gelo! Gelo, come here. Can you jump from here to there?
Shit's gonna hurt.
Is it gonna hurt you? I'm up there.
Is that saying it's too fucking hot?
What the fuck are you doing?
No, you can do it.
Go fishing.
I'm tired.
Sergio, you suck.
You guys can do